Hello everybody, my name is Kason. I'm 7 years old. I'm in first grade and today I'll read a book to you. How to make a snow person. This is how to make a snow person. You need to make a bottom, a middle, and a top. You need supplies to add details too. First, roll up a big ball. This will be the bottom of the snow person. Second, roll up a smaller ball than the first ball. This will be the middle of the snow person. Third, roll up a smaller ball than the second ball. This will be the head of the snow person. Fourth, set the middle on top of the base. Then set the head on top of the middle. Now you have a body. Next, you can add details to the body. Add arms to the middle ball of the snow person. Add eyes, a nose, and a mouth to the head. Try to use materials that match the shapes you want. Will your snow person have a big nose? Will your snow person be smiling or frowning? Then you can put a hat on your snow person's head. Finally, you can wrap a scarf around your snow person's neck. You have made a snow person. Will you make a friend for your snow person? That's the end of our book. I hope you like it. Next time, read more books to you. Bye!